Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we'll make custom plywood signage. For this specific project, we used our CNC router that you see behind me here, and what we did is, it's a 3/4 inch plywood, so we routed around here first, and then we cut it out. The reason for that is because the customer wants to have this in two colors. And the easiest way to do this paint-wise is to have a brush and just go around here like this, one color, and then use a flat roller and just paint the other color on top of this. This gives you your two colors, and also you have a very cost-effective material. Plywood's actually pretty strong as well. And I've only gone down roughly 1/4 inch, so this is still a very strong ledge. Something to keep in mind with plywood is that you still have to finish it at the end of the day. Like this project here, for instance, the customer is going to paint it, and by painting it, you actually end up sealing it. So whenever you get plywood projects done by us, we can either finish it here in the shop for you, so you don't have to worry about it, or we send it to you raw, so to speak, like what this is, what you're seeing happening now here. And then what you do is you finish that up in your garage or your shop, and you finish it. The reason why you want to seal it is that it helps a lot for the durability of the overall plywood. For instance, if you put this outside in rain and environment, it's still wood. It still sort of drinks it up. It still evaporates away. It still affects the material. And over time, that's why it degrades. By sealing it, you're creating a barrier between the outside environment and the wood itself. And if none of that water or air, all that kind of stuff sort of penetrates the plywood, then it lasts a lot longer than otherwise. Another thing to keep in mind with plywood is that the way it's manufactured, you don't want to leave it in direct sunlight for a very long time. It's a little bit like MDF. It's just, you have a whole bunch of different kinds of wood sort of mixed together in it, and we have layers of glue and stuff, and whenever you have sort of differential heating, so heating at one end and not at the other end, you can get some warping. And that's a bad thing for, of course, signage, but by sealing it, you're helping to prevent some of that, but you still want to keep it away from direct sunlight, for an extended period of time, especially heat as well, because again, you're dealing with a material that's sort of a mishmash of different products. They're all wood products, but it's just a mishmash of different things and different densities. And whenever you introduce something outside of that could affect the way it moves, that's when you have the warping problems. Now, as for rot and those sort of things, again, sealing it helps prevent any water damage getting into it, and you help to greatly prevent rot or any other kind of issues, including mold. As you can see, this sign is actually pretty large. It's actually as large as I could possibly get it on a 4x8 foot sheet. With the CNC router, I actually have a 5x10 router here, but the sheets don't come in 5x10, they come by 4x8. So I optimized and I made the size of the logo as large as possible, so when they carry it on site, they have just a couple pieces to bring with them. The reason for going with plywood is that it can still get wet. This is probably going to go outdoors just for a little bit here and there for filming. So when they go outside with it, if it gets wet, not a big deal. If you did it at a 3/4 inch MDF, it gets wet, it doubles in weight, and just looks like crap really, really fast. The other nice thing about plywood is that you can also paint it very nicely. This is furniture grade plywood, so it's not the typical plywood you get, let's say at Home Depot and those kind of places. Furniture grade means you have a really nice maple veneer. Here it might be hard to see with the video. And you also have a nice veneer on the back side. And that's really nice for painting because it means you have a nice clean surface to paint on. And you can also sand it. The veneer itself is maybe, 1/16? It's very slight, but that's fine for this kind of signage. The other nice thing about plywood is that it's made from multiple layers in different directions, which means that it tends not to want to warp too much over time. So when this will be outside for the filming process, they don't have to worry too much about it starting to warp on you in all these different weird angles. So if you're looking for custom plywood signage, contact me at CNCKing.com. We'll make it for you and ship it right to your door.